Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to set up a business account on Pinterest. To set up a Pinterest business account, go to pinterest.com/business/create on your browser, right? And all you got to do is just enter your email and password and fill out your business profile details, right? Like, your location, address, etc., domain. You can create a new account or convert an existing personal account, unlocking free tools like analytics, ads, and rich pins to boost brand visibility, right? Or basically, you could go ahead to your Pinterest, hit your profile icon at the bottom right, at the three dots at the top right, go to the settings, right? And I'm gonna find in the account management, I believe, that you can convert instead of personal account, business account, right? You can convert an existing personal account to a business account. So consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.